All right. We have been classifying triangles. We first looked at classifying triangles by angles. We had acute angles, obtuse angles, equiangular triangles, and right triangles. And now we're going to spin through classifying triangles by sides. And so we can have an equilateral triangle, which means we got three congruent sides. And we can have an isosceles triangle, which means we can have two congruent sides. Or we can have a scalene triangle, which means there are no congruent sides. Three congruent sides, equilateral, two congruent sides, isosceles, and three congruent sides, no congruent sides, no congruent sides, no congruent sides is a scalene. All right, we're going to go through. In your book, you're going to be on page 238 and 239, because we're going to take a look at examples 3 and 4. Let's first go to example 3, guided practice. And we're asked to classify the button at the left by its side. Now, this is a hazard button that's in most cars to activate the hazard lights. So if you get in trouble on the highway, you can hit that button. All your lights are going to blink. People are going to know something's wrong. But let's see, what are we trying to do? We're trying to classify the button at the left by its sides. Well, it appears to be a triangle. And I see that each side is 0.75 or 3/4 of an inch. And so how would I classify this? Yes, I know you know. It would be equilateral. And why is that true? Because it has three congruent sides. Therefore, it must be equilateral. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the next one. We got a triangle inside of a triangle, I believe. Yes, we're classifying triangles by sides within figures. So classify triangle KML as equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Explain your answer. So let's see. Triangle KML is right there. And let's see. Well, I've got a congruency symbol right there, and I've got a congruency symbol right there. Side KL is 1.3, but I don't know how that relates necessarily to KM and ML. But I know that KM and ML are congruent, and so therefore I can say that this is isosceles. I have to look how to spell this thing. I can't, It's an isosceles triangle, and why is that? Two sides of the triangle are congruent. All right, easy enough, not bad. Next up, we'll look at finding missing values.